So we're here to learn how to replace this universal fill tank that fits inside the tank of the toilet. The old one was malfunctioning, so now we have to remove the old one, and the easiest way is to go and take the tank off the toilet, which we're doing here. Then that's going to totally expose to replace, here's the new one, to totally expose the plastic nut on the bottom so you don't have to crawl underneath the toilet to repair it that way. Makes it much easier and more efficient. So now I'm adjusting the height inside here. I'm going to adjust the height where it should be. Okay, I'm going to put the fill hose down there. I'm going to spin it back around. And while I hold this inside the tank securely, I'll put this plastic nut back on to secure this to the tank. So hopefully we don't get any leaks. And we got a little tool here. Put this on here and you make it nice and snug. Okay, there we go. Now it should be ready to put back on the tank. We make sure we have this ring back on here. This is the seal that seals the tank to the top of the toilet. And then we're going to put these on the bolts underneath and tighten them as snug as we can with our fingers. And then we could snug it down with our deep socket. Just a little bit. Okay, I'll do this a little bit more. Here. Now we're going to attach this water line back onto the bottom of the new tower. And there we go. Now we'll flush it and make sure that once it flushes, it'll refill, which it's refilling now. We've got to make sure while we're flushing it with the water pressure that we don't have any leaks underneath again. We're going to try one more time. Make sure it flushes. It's flushing fine. It's refilling with water again. And it's just what we wanted to do. And before we put the cover on, we'll make sure that this is all nice and snug with the plastic gearing and the clamp. That clamps down and locks it in place for your handle. And we'll take a peek one more time, make sure there's no leaking underneath. I don't see anything leaking. I think we're good. We'll put the top back on. And I think it was a success. Thank you for watching.